Hey everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama jumping into a house on a Saturday. It's been a great day actually. I'm in a 16 by 76, 3-bed, 2-bath, and this one caught my eye when I was cruising around the parking lot because I noticed the slider door, patio door in the living room, and look how bright. It's not just the patio door that does this though, it's the color choices as well. And also we have lots of windows in here. So this is a 16 by 76, 1,155 square feet Maple Crest home. And I knew that right away because of this corner sink right there. So one of just a few homes where we do that. I see that they have added the extension of the cabinet there. If you need some more cabinets, just pick a floor plan and ask me, see what I can do. Looks like we've also enlarged some windows here, 46 by 61, 46 by 61. We've added the optional hutch with an upper and a lower. We've got glacier quartzite on the countertop with a laminate backsplash. I just love how the black handles are tying in with the modern look, and even when you brighten it up, it's fitting really well. And also I like how this customer wanted to do an accent wall. We've seen some questionable ones in my videos. I know that's true, but here I like when they do it just in the kitchen area. It does flow through to a couple of other rooms we're gonna see, but it does not extend past that kitchen area. So it just kind of, you know, shifts gears when you're going into a different room. So we've got 42-inch cabinets all the way to the ceiling, smooth top range. Standard would be a burner range, but that's a smooth top. And then a dishwasher. I'm glad the black appliances are back because in my opinion, they are so cute. Here we're going on with the Dogwood Harvest accent wall going into the utility, but the rest of it is still Casper Cashmere. Great idea. Coming back into the master bedroom area. Very large master bedroom, and that's what you're gonna get when you get these larger single wides is a larger master bedroom. I wanna stand in this corner. I did this earlier because I was just like, wow, this really is a large bedroom in a single wide. So 4661 going on with the window over there. We've got a walk-in closet, plenty of room for shoes. And here they opted for the double vanities in the master. So we've got a double vanity there. They kept on with the accent wall all the way up. Still had enough room to squeeze a walk-in shower in here. So that's a great idea. You always want to be planning for your future. We got a 14 by 40 window behind the commode. Always a nice option to add. Let's jump to the other end of the home and check out the extra bedrooms. Bedroom 2 and 3, got a bathroom in between. Here's bed 2, nice size there, plenty of room for a full or a queen. Here's the second guest bath. Vanity, commode, 60-inch tub shower combination. And here, folks, is bedroom 3. So, lots of options. We've got large homes, we've got small homes, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-bedroom homes. Whatever your family is looking for, give me a call. My information is in the description below. Remember, you can always book an appointment with me right on the front of my YouTube page. And I sure do appreciate all y'all watching. Thanks. Have a great weekend.